If you need to sign a PDF or scan right from your iPhone with Apple's built in markup tool, you can add your signature fast. And here's how. First of all, open your documents in Files, Mail, Notes, or any other supported app. And for email attachments, just tap the file you want to sign. Next, tap on the markup icon. This usually looks like a pen tip. After that, in the markup toolbar, tap on the plus icon. Then select Add Signature. If this is your first time, draw your signature with your finger. And for returning users, just tap your saved signature. Then tap on Done. A movable signature box appears. Drag it to wherever you need it and adjust its size, or you can also edit it and change its color and the size. And that's all. When you're done placing your signature, tap on Done. Now your signed document is ready to share. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.